Hi and welcome to my channel, Yours Mentor. You can teach yourself English in 30 days if you follow a clear daily routine. This plan helps you improve speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Day 1 to 5, build vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 new words every day. Use flashcards, Anki, Quizlet, and write simple sentences with each word. Day 6 to 10, learn basic grammar. Focus on present, past, and future tenses. Write short paragraphs using these tenses and check your work with free grammar websites. Day 11 to 15, listening practice. Watch English videos, movies, or YouTube with subtitles. Listen to podcasts or news for 10 to 20 minutes daily. Repeat sentences to improve pronunciation. Day 16 to 20, speaking practice. Talk to yourself in English about your day, describe actions, or tell short stories. Record yourself and compare with native speakers. Use HelloTalk or Tandem to practice with others. Day 21 to 25, reading practice. Read easy books, graded readers, or news articles. Highlight new words and phrases. Try reading aloud for speaking practice. Day 26 to 28, writing practice. Write a diary, short stories, or social media posts in English. Use free tools like Grammarly to check mistakes. Aim for 5 to 10 sentences daily. Day 29, immersion day. Spend the whole day in English as much as possible. Change your phone or social media language settings to English. Think, read, and listen in English throughout the day. Day 30, review and track progress. Revisit old lessons, vocabulary, and writing exercises. Set goals for the next month. Celebrate your progress and plan your next learning steps. Conclusion. By following this 30-day routine, practicing a little every day, and using free resources, you can significantly improve your English skills in just 1 month. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.